discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Journey. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and much more. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.